Welcome back to our Monday Live. It's Monday Live with MJ and attorney Hermes, where we kick off the week on the brighter side. Week 3 of our live coverage. Week 1, we uncover what 𝗙𝗺𝗃𝗄𝗃 is all about. Week 2, last week, we asked you about freedom and free will, the same.
Questions we talked about last week and we left you with is free will. Had we not sold our soul for free will, we wouldn't have had to fight and struggle for our freedom. Second one was the cost. And at what cost and to whom did we sell our soul at that tempting moment? Third one is, how do we protect our soul and keep our soul from sparkling?
Last week, Sean mentioned about putting your comments or your questions, burning questions about our topic. Congratulations, Kyla, Kelsey, and Derek. Your questions made it to our topic today, which we will talk about towards the end of our live show. Free will, does it compromise our soul? How does it compromise our soul spiritually, emotionally, physically, and socially?
Everything in life that is free is taken for granted, even breathing, even talking. Thank God there are actually some of us still that don't take anything free for granted. A lot of them believe that the best things in life are free. Now, when God gave us our free will, was it actually free of charge?
Yes, it was free of charge. God gave us the gift of free will, free in its entirety, except for one condition, guys. Please do not sell your soul out of an apple. Genesis chapter 2.
What was that story about? It was about an apple. We sold our soul for a bite of an apple. How cheap. Now going back to Adam and Eve, had we not sold our soul for that one bite of apple, we'd be able to protect our free will, protect our soul. And that's one thing that's very important.
So we've been trying to fight all this time, since in the beginning of Adam and Eve, to fight for that soul back. Remember, it was just like a bite in an apple that we sold our soul. Jesus has to shed blood and then sacrifice and be crucified, because all this time our forefathers took our free will for granted, which was not even free. Today we have a chance to change and not to choose to commit that same mistake. Because remember, guys, since the day we were born, we are already worth more than the whole world's net worth. So don't sell out for an apple. Keep dreaming, keep loving your gift of life, and Sean will have something to say.
So we're going to cover those 3 topics in the coming weeks: spirituality and socially and physically. Right now we're dealing with emotion.
And Sean will end it with the questions.
Going back to the questions chosen from last week's live coverage, let's answer them now. This one comes from Kelsey. Free will is such a powerful concept. How do we ensure we use it wisely? If you're trying to choose wisely, that just means you're choosing between right and wrong. I think that to do it wisely, you just have to trust yourself, trust your soul, trust God, and believe that you're making the right choice, and just always try to do what's right. The second question from Kyla. Free will is a gift we often take for granted. This live session is a great reminder. Thank you for that reminder, because these are the types of things that we like to bring to 𝗙𝗺𝗃𝗄𝗃, because we want people to have questions and we want them to be able to answer. If you can answer them, that'd be great too. You can put that in the comments. Third question from Derek. How do you handle the pressure of making the right choices? It's the pressure that we put upon ourselves in society to make the right choice, because it's not hard to make the right choice. You just have to choose what is right or wrong, to do good or do bad. Thank you so much.
Going back to our 8,000 steps
before
8 a.m. Let's see who did it.
Oh no.
What did Sean have?
I only have 5,400 this morning. Ooh, 56:38. She got more than me.
All right, we still have the rest of the day to make it happen. See you next time. Ciao, everybody.
Thanks for watching our video today, guys. Don't forget to subscribe. If you'd like to follow us on our other social media links, they're right here. Have a great day.